Hello everyone. In today's screencast, we're going to look at unstated main ideas. Basically, that means reading between the lines. So let's take a look at main ideas. Well, first of all, a stated main idea. There's a topic sentence. The paragraph has a sentence that clearly states the main idea. However, in an unstated main idea, there isn't a topic sentence. And that means that you, the reader, has to understand what the main idea is from the information in the paragraph. Those supporting ideas that are there help you get the main idea. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have a text. Let's read the text together. In Australia and Belgium, we see two places, non-voters are subject to fines. Not only the fine itself, but the clear expectation that everyone is legally required to vote helps generate 90% plus turnout rates. In Italy, non-voters are not fined, but did not vote is stamped on their identification papers, threatening non-voters with the prospect, the possibility of unsympathetic treatment at the hands of public officials should they get into trouble or need help with a problem. Here we have a paragraph that does not have a topic sentence. It has a lot of information, and it keeps talking about non-voters, non-voters, and non-voters, and in three places, in Australia, Belgium, and Italy. It tells us what happens if the citizens do not vote. We see in Australia and in Belgium, they have to pay a fine, they have to pay money. In Italy, they get this did not vote on their papers. So again, there's some kind of result or consequence. So what do? Ask yourself, first of all, what is the topic of the passage? It's the result of not voting. And we know that a main idea is the topic and something that's said about the topic. Then look for your supporting ideas. So here we want to look for what happens in Australia, in Belgium, and in Italy. And here we can see exactly what happens. Those are supporting details. And then finally, we take all of these points together and ask ourselves what point or claim is the author making about non-voting. And we can look and we can say, when citizens of a country do not vote, there are consequences. They are punished in some way. And that is our unstated main idea. We could take this sentence and put it at the beginning and get a topic sentence, or put it at the end and get a topic sentence. So let's sum up. What do you need to do? Read the paragraph and look for the topic sentence. No topic sentence? Well, then look for that supporting information because it will help you figure out the main idea of the paragraph. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. You have to take all of these different pieces, put them together to come up with the main idea. So now that you've got this, you're ready to go on and do it on your own.